No way.
County in southwestern Pennsylvania, central Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 10:30 p.m. At 7:31 p.m., radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen, with additional 1.0 to 2.0 inches expected. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Ross Township, Monroeville, McMurray, Greensburg, McKeesport, Jeanette, Canonsburg, Gaskendale, Shaler Township, Plum, West Mifflin, North Side Pittsburgh, Baldwin, Upper St. Clair, Murraysville, and Scott Township. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Nice surprise, PVZ.